How to make your iPhone louder than max volume. Let's get started. The very first thing you can do is use your volume button key to increase the volume of your iPhone. At the left hand side of your phone, you will find the volume keys. Click on the first one key. With that, your volume will be increased to the max level. Or also you can use your control center, open it. You will find this volume option over here. From here, you can customize the volume for your iPhone. Likewise, another thing you can do is open your settings. Now scroll down. Go ahead and find the option of music. Once you find it, open it. Now hit towards this option of EQ, open it. Set it to late night. Likewise, you can head back. Go to the main page of settings. Open the option sound and haptics. Now from this page, you are able to increase volume for the ringtone. Sliding to the right, you can set it to the maximum level. So that's all for this video. This is how you can make your iPhone louder than max volume. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.